Well, the seats for the tractor need a little repair work. They've been on there a while. This one kind of rutted. So this one broke. So we'll get rid of this stuff. It was nice marine vinyl, but it stained pretty quickly. I'm going to make new armrest out of this plastic that I have, so that won't happen again. We'll do that, and I got some new seat covers for it. We'll try this stuff, see how it looks. I think we'll be alright. Work, work, work. Always something to do. But when the armrest fell off, it was pretty much the end of that. Okay, we're gonna mark for our holes. Center to center. There we go. And then that way I can bolt this back on then. I think I'll use OSB for the back because it's what I got that's 3/4. I'm just gonna have to waterproof this really good and either put some finish on it, maybe fiberglass resin or something to seal it up 100%. I don't know. I'll think of something. Okay, I got these drilled out. Need 5/16 to get that shank in there. I'm going to use the same ones over. They're not bad. So I used a Forstner bit to recess it down in so that I don't even have to change the length of my bolts. They'll go up through and secure this to the side posts on the tractor. So I'll tap that down into place, and I'll be ready to put some kind of foamy stuff on there and cover it. I just clear enameled the thing, super heavy coat, and hopefully that waterproofs it enough to work for what I want. I'll try to put some extra plastic around it too, just to make sure it doesn't get wet. We'll try it. Well, it needed a quick coat of paint. That seat hasn't been off of there in a long time, so I give a little paint, seal it up a little bit, keep it from rusting some more. Make it last another bunch of years. I guess 60. This thing's 60 years old. So there you go. A little paint goes a long way. Okay, bottom cushion done. This was pretty good shape, so I decided to just save it. Nothing to it, pretty simple stuff. So we got a little bit more to do for the back. Let's get that done. Work, work, work. Keep up the good work. I got this as a top, so hopefully it'll shed water and come down, and this won't collect water. It'll shed water off. Hopefully. Anyway, it'll look better. Pretty simple. Tuck the ends, fold it over. No big secret. Pretty simple stuff. Just get a cushion. Now I got an armrest. How do you like that? And that won't rot anymore. Pretty simple stuff. There's really nothing to it. That. Little foam. We're good to go. Just measure out what you want. Need a little for wrapping around. Center it this way. Okay, put a couple tacks in there. That way you can stretch it around. Figure out what you need, slice it off, wrap it up. Pretty easy. Tuck, fold, pull, get it to where you need it. Staple her down. There you go. Pretty simple. Ta-da! I am using stainless steel staples. That way, at least they won't rust. So, I'm ready to go ahead and bolt everything on. Okay. So I'll put it all together and show you a picture of it afterwards. Since I'm reusing this bottom cushion, I went ahead and make me some spacers, okay, with plastic, so that when I bolt through, these will set just a little proud of the material of the steel frame, and hopefully keep this all nice and dry where it's not going to hold water anymore. And that's the plan. So I just got to open these up to 3/8, put them in as spacers, and bolt it onto the tractor. There's a seat. Let's get the back on and the armrest. Doesn't look too bad. It's done. Make my butt feel better, huh? That'll do the job. Another one done.